Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream using only milk and corn flour. This unique method offers a stable and delightful alternative to traditional whipped cream. First, gather your simple ingredients: 1 cup of very cold milk, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and sugar to your preferred sweetness. Remember to chill your mixing bowl and whisk beforehand. This small step makes a big difference in achieving the perfect texture. Next, we'll cook our base. Pour the milk into a saucepan, then add the 2 tablespoons of corn flour and your chosen amount of sugar. Place the pan over medium heat and whisk continuously. It's important to keep stirring to prevent lumps. Continue until the mixture visibly thickens, resembling a light custard. This process activates the corn flour, creating the foundation for our stable whipped cream. Now for the chilling and whipping. Transfer the warm, thickened mixture into your pre-chilled bowl. Cover the surface directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming, then refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours, ensuring it's completely cold. Once thoroughly chilled, use an electric mixer on high speed to whip the mixture. Continue until it transforms into a light, airy, and fluffy whipped cream. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. This unique whipped cream is perfect for topping pies, cakes, fresh fruit, or hot beverages. One of its best features is its remarkable stability. It holds its shape significantly longer than whipped cream made with heavy cream. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.